connecting to YouTube live streaming. It was having a little bit of issues earlier. Now it looks like it's connecting. You can see the SPY is opening up pretty high today. It did gap up from yesterday. Pretty much yesterday it closed right around here, right around 307. It is now 309. Momentum is picking up. You can see the bars are getting taller and taller. Overall, the bars were red. So red is indicating a really good pause. You can see here on the momentum, 15 minutes picking up. The yellow line just crossed the purple line going up. Next is the 30-minute. Over the 30-minute period, the yellow line is way above the purple line, and it's rapidly extending. You can see for the squeeze bars, those are, it has that first squeeze bar in the next 30 minutes. We'll see the next squeeze bar if it's taller. If it is taller, it's going to show a really good rapid ascension. I have a price target of 312 for SPY today. That's something I was talking about with the Options Traders Network pre-market, and I feel like as this trend goes on, it's probably going to test this 312. As far as the 4-hour period from the total months perspective, you can see the TTM squeeze bars are rapidly expanding, meaning SPY is rapidly growing. The yellow line has crossed purple line going up, so overall we can see that the momentum is going to go up accordingly. So I believe the SPY will probably hit 312. Then somewhere around there, if it doesn't break 312 and go past 314 to 317 area, it will probably have a little bit of a correction going down. And I feel like from that point, if I draw this Fibonacci, you can see most likely it's going to hit 312, somewhere right here. And then if it corrects going downwards, then you're going to see SPY bounce pretty close to 304 again. So this is going to be a really weird oscillation. The main reason why I believe that the SPY is going to go up is going to be because a lot of the FANG stocks are rapidly getting bought. You can see Microsoft. Last week I was talking about Microsoft being 200 when it was 194. You can see it went to 204 yesterday, and then now today it's at 203. Another really good one I was talking about was Facebook. Not FANG, Facebook. So you can see right here, Facebook was right here, right around 208. It's right around 229. So it's been rapidly increasing since the yellow line has crossed over. You can see that as it goes through, it's probably going to cross this 229 mark. And as that happens, you're going to see Facebook retrace itself pretty close to 235, maybe even 242. This would also be a pretty decent trade as well. But as FANG stocks, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon, all those are rapidly going up. You're going to see SPY pick up. So by looking at the general masses of what they're doing, that's why I'm predicting, based on the Fibonacci, if these, all these FANG stocks are going up, they make up a large portion of the SPY. So I really believe SPY is going to hit right around 312, which is my price target today. So if you guys are looking at calls today, 312 on SPY is a really good call. It doesn't have to go to 312 for you to make money. As long as you buy it, a week out or so, you can sell it to somebody else who does believe it's going to go to 312. As of right now, I'm still in a BDC position, just holding it temporarily, just to keep an eye on the market to make sure that as the market finally decides which direction it's going to go, I'm going to just stockpile and save up a lot more cash flow. That way I can make some nicer, bigger trades. I could sell GSBD right now for a slight profit and then take a trade, but what I'm really looking for is I'm looking for a slight bounce. And I can go ahead and put my limit. I'm probably going to sell limit 1630. Now, if these CTM squeeze bars do continue expanding, then I might actually cancel that limit, because I believe that it's getting pulled to 1655, which is not far from where the high is. High is like right around 18ish. So it looks kind of far, but it's almost there from the gravitational line. So the high was around 18. So if people have seen that the stock price has been pretty close to 18, and then they see it right around 16, then they say, okay, yeah, it looks like the stock price is below market value. So more than likely people will buy it up, at least into this gravitational line, which is 1653. So I'm probably going to look for a 1630 price target, probably in the next, I don't know, probably by tomorrow, because tomorrow is one day before closing. There is not going to be trading on Friday, just because Friday is the transition into the 4th of July. So I'm pretty sure that the markets will be closed. If they're not closed, more than likely I'll probably be taking a break on Friday just to give myself a rest. But as you can see, SPY is rapidly going up, VIX is rapidly going down, and I believe VIX will probably plateau right around here, 333. If it can break below 333, it's going to be a really good indication that SPY is going to continue to rally. More than likely, if VIX goes below 33, so let's say it goes to 32, you're going to see SPY starting going to 315, 317, and it's going to be a really good indication that it'll continue going up. Overall, the market is still unsteady. It's just going up and down, so it's really good for day traders. As far as me, typically a swing trader with a couple of day trades, I like to just be a little bit more cautious as far as my positions today. As far as my positions this month in general. As you can see here, GSBD, if I didn't have my limit sale on 1630 yet, just because I've been doing the stream, but I could have actually sold it because right now it's at 1640. But as you can see, this yellow line is getting close to this purple line, and as these bars expand, I can very easily see it going to, I can see it going to 1650, which is gravitational line. Anything above that, that's going to be really good. So I'm probably going to hold this until Thursday. Now, if it does go back down by Thursday, then I might sell it, but I'm pretty sure it'll go, as they squeeze, it'll go pretty close to, 1650. But nonetheless, we'll see what happens. SPY should be going to 312 today. That's pretty much the main getaway. So if I do anything, if there's any actions, I'll definitely let you guys know, keep you guys updated. And if you learned anything or liked anything, feel free to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. And I'm definitely going to do my best to teach you guys more about what I know about options, about stocks, about trading in general, technical indicators. And currently, all members of the Options and Traders Network, I have given them my exclusive preview as far as analysis for deal flow. And I've been launching a new system where I'm integrating in startup and angel investments into our platform for the OT network. And so as a subscribing member to the OT network, if you're part of the newsletter, you're going to start getting some emails from there. And then once you get a couple of those emails and you're more interested in learning more and becoming a member, then I'm going to start working on getting you into the Discord. And then once you're into the Discord, then I'll be able to open up the full deal flow analysis to you, which is going to make up of stocks, options, BDCs, market analysis, news on demand, and also a community of a lot of other people who have specific deal flows, which they believe, has some potential. And together working as a whole, we're just going to share our deal flow. The last thing that I was adding, once again, is startup and angel investing. That was integrated in last week. But overall, the Option Trader Network is developing, and we'll see what's happening in the next coming months. But Options Traders has been growing very rapidly, and I'm very happy about that. So